if we take a look at the numbers here, for your homework, you'll have one that has all of these, but when you have the individual questions on a quiz or a test, it will just be like a random group of 3, 4, or 5 individual numbers selected. Okay, so here, 19 over 17, you have this fraction of 2 integers, so you know that that is most specifically a rational number. Therefore, it's going to be everything outside of that as well, which would just be the real number. Okay, in the next one, 3 over 0 is undefined. You can't have division by 0, so that's not any choice here. 3, the most specific category for 3 is a natural number. Therefore, it's everything that surrounds the natural number. So that means it's a whole number, an integer, rational, and real. The square root of the negative square root of 49 has a value of -7. So when we look at that, the most specific category for this is an integer, which means it's also a rational and real, again, building outward. Negative 62 pi, the number that has a pi is irrational, and so building outward irrational are also real numbers. And the square root of 19 also doesn't simplify to an integer value, so that's irrational. Building outward includes real numbers. The square root of -17 is a complex number with an imaginary component, so this is not going to fit with the real numbers or any of their subcategories. And then finally, 0, the most specific category for 0 is a whole number. Therefore, it's also an integer, a rational number, and a real number.